So hi guys, in today's session what we are discussing about private, protected and public members in Python. Now basically these members are specifically mentioned with class, okay? It is also called as access specifier in Python, right? So first access specifier we have a public member. Now जो हम normally variables and functions create करते हैं in class, that is called as a public members, right? See, access specifier accessible for from anywhere. So access specifier जो public members होते हैं that can be accessed anywhere, right? And default access level in Python. So इसका जो default होता है now, like before directly jumping to the protected member and private member, why we use this access specifier, right? See, if you have a making one ATM system, right? So default, if you use a public member without calling a specific function, you can directly access that method, okay? So that is like chances to loss of a data, and also it is for also not good for the security reason, right? For that reason we use access specifier. Now in Python we not strongly follow all the access specifier, but still we have next which we have a protected. See, indicate with a single underscore. जब भी आप बोलते हो प्रोटेक्टेड वेरिएबल मेंबर्स, तो प्रोटेक्टेड मेंबर्स इन क्लास हैव विद द अंडरस्कोर starting with the name, ठीक है? शुड नॉट बी एक्सेप्टेबल आउटसाइड द क्लास बाय कन्वेंशन, मीन्स हाँ, इसका यूज इंटरनली सिर्फ क्लास के अंदर करने के लिए होता है, बट you can use that outside the class also. So this class or this member is not strongly followed, ठीक है? use internally but still accessible if needed. तो इंटरनली एक्सेस करने के लिए बनाया जाता है, बट आपको नीड है तो उसे आप आउटसाइड द क्लास ले सकते हो, ठीक है? बट नेक्स्ट वी हैव द प्राइवेट मेंबर, राइट? प्राइवेट मेंबर आर स्ट्रांगली फॉलोड, इंडिकेट विद द डबल अंडरस्कोर, राइट? नॉट डायरेक्टली एक्सेसिबल आउटसाइड द क्लास. आप डायरेक्टली एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते, इनडायरेक्टली यू कैन एक्सेस, ठीक है? यूज टू हाइड अ सेंसिटिव डेटा. So whenever you are talking about hiding a sensitive data, then we have a private. So these three access specifier we have. First is the public, then protect, and then private, ठीक है? So we will do this with the help of code. So I have created one class with ATM name, and I'll declare one constructor here with a self name balance, right? So see guys, when you are talking about public variable, now we don't have any public variable here, but we have a public method. So this is also a public method, and this is also public method, ठीक है? If you remove the underscore, that is automatically become as a public method or a public member, right? Now this is like a protected member which we only create when we wanted to access inside the class, right? And see, if you talk user1 and I'll call for the specific show, so that will be accessible, right? And you can also access that specific variable which is user1 dot name. तो strongly follow कर होता है क्या? No, that is not strongly follow, right? But if you're talking about private members are strongly followed, and if you try to access that inside the outside the class, so you definitely get a error. So it's a name of balance. See, ATM object does not have an attribute hyphen balance, but we still have that attribute, ठीक है? So see, indirectly आप इसे use कर सकते हो, बट आप डायरेक्टली उसे यूज नहीं कर सकते. तो whenever we wanted to check a balance, so you need to use a particular method, ठीक है? which is we need to call this one balance, ठीक है? तो आपके पब्लिक मेंबर भी हो सकते हैं, प्राइवेट मेंबर भी हो सकते हैं, एंड प्रोटेक्टेड मेंबर्स भी होते हैं, ठीक है? सो डिफॉल्ट दैट इज public members we have in class.